Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Manuel A. Villarin, and ako to, si Aaron, for the first time, mag-Taglish na dito sa channel na to. So, ipapagsama ko na yung Tagalog at English, whether I use the other one more, or gagamitin ko yung Tagalog more, or even just equally used. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about um yung mga problema dun sa section namin. Dito, I could enumerate countless of our flaws because Hume's one isn't perfect. There's countless of flaws displayed and appeared in its form. Sa dami in fact na I don't think we would be successfully great after many years. Wanna know why? Masculinity is not there. Every lesson is not taken seriously. There's School is no longer to be, to learn, to know, but rather a competition to who's great and who's funnier. And there's so many cheating, there's so many people cheating on quizzes, which is a clear sign of inequality. Kind of ironic that we are discussing equality. I mean, it's, gender equality. I mean, actually, there's a subject, a lesson in Introduction in Philosophy that talks about the limitation of the bodily. I mean, this is actually the social and environmental limitation, which is the discrimination and inequality. The inequality in here is there's so many people. I mean, majority of it is boys that don't see education as this thing that we need to learn. And the minority of boys that see education as in our class is as some education as something to know about is gay is um people who has other genders. Maybe I'm not, baka ako na lang ata yung taong sobrang siniseryoso yung edukasyon sa room namin. Ako lang ata. Ako lang yung taong tipong try ko yung best para maging sing level ng mga taong ka-peers ko sa academics. Ako lang ata. Since yung ibang tao, yung ibang nagpa-participate is meron na silang background na talaga silang active sa school. Ako nang na ako lang yung last person na titry ko yung best para maging best. Ako na lang. I'm the only one I'm the only last person. I'm the last person to try and become high honor. But here's the thing, yung mga taong try nilang maging best sa academics ay is the people who cheats in quizzes and just you know just when the time of recitation they just mumble. They don't even know what they are saying, which I find kind of not fair. That's the condition of our um section. Even if even if they see the section right now as something as the greatest section because we are so competitive. Not only that, we are, you know, in grades, all of us are included in with honors, which, from my observation, some of them don't really deserve that place. And yun lang, naging ano na yung school, naging, di ko lang siya maani eh. Kasi, you know, I respect them. I respect um, their, I, I just respect them. Even if they show this kind of attitudes and behaviors to other students. I know this won't just disappear in an instant after publishing this. This will continue for decades, and I would experience this again, possibly in college, which I wish I could change this once I get into college, because this thing, I don't want this to experience. I don't want this problem or issue to be experienced by my little brother or even my um to my next generations. Hume's one is a circus. I think, okay, let me um atakin ko naman yung sarili ko. I think it could be also because I don't have people, close, because I don't have people I'm close with. Yung mga taong talagang nakausap ko sila, talagang nakakaban ko sila. Since everyone there is just, being friends just to have laughs, enjoyment, something to have to be entertained with, because learning they see is boring. They don't see this as something to be, you know, to have meaningful time with. Since everyone in there um it's now Thursday, and we are almost half of the grade 12 year. we're almost done. Next month could be the final exam. The examination day of second semester. Man, grade 12 is such a journey for me. It's a moment of realization of academics alone, school and education alone. That lineup, our teacher in EAPP really impacted me. I couldn't retrieve the exact sentence, but let me try to, you know, let me try to recall it. I think it's, don't complain about our government's corruption if this is the behaviors that you are showing. I know this is not the exact words that Doc Ice told us, but this is the thing. Kasi, if you think about it, yung pinaka, yung pinaka, yung taong pinaka hindi interesado sa pag-aaral, yung mga tao pa yun pa yung mga taong hindi, yun pa yung mga taong na awardan, na bibigay ng honor somehow. Paano yun? I mean, I I kind of respect how this is their um this is their way to become academically successful. Pero hindi, sa tingin ko hindi patas yun eh. Sa tingin ko lang kasi we don't want to make a subjective um understanding about this problem. We need to see all sides of the problem or issue so that we could, truly understand this issue. Tapos, yung mga taong talagang tinatry understand yung mga topics, yung mga discussion, sila pa yung laging bagsak. Then again, from my experience yun, because in my way, tinatry ko talagang i-understand yung topic. Hindi ko basta, hindi ko basta niya hindi ko basta niya yung lessons na minememorize yung mga yung nasa yung PPT namin. Tinatry ko pa talaga i-understand at i-memorize yung other definitions nung mga term na sinasabi ng mga teachers namin. Pero, nung this time lang ako na napunta dun sa technique na ni-memorize ko lang yung sa PPT kasi wala akong choice since that's the most effective way to learn. somehow I kind of don't like this way or technique because it just tolerates the, you know, yun na nga, yung mga behavior na nangyayari sa Yums 1. But at the meantime, I can see Yums 1 as this very disciplined and well-mannered while being competitive na section. I can see this as a possibility. But I just can't do it. Hindi ko sila you know, ma-influence kagaya lang kagaya lang ng aming president sa school, sa class, I mean. Hindi ako ganun kaano. Kaya kaya I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best while having no friends to support me, no people to back up when I fall. I kind of envy yung mga yung mga yung mga talagang nagka-participate na sa class na wow, ang galing nila. Participate sila, participate. Mabuti sila nakapag ano sa school, sa class. Mabuti talaga. Then again, I think it's not the student's problem. It's the system that is the problem. We need to change the system because this is not the right system that we need to educate our youth. There's more people that would fail in life than those who success in life. If this is the system that we have, we don't support the people that is unheard. We don't see each other to help. I mean, we don't see each other equally. I mean, I'm not saying that everyone should be equal in positions and in anything, but I don't see people helping each other for for the better of our society. It's basically a matibay system. The people who are good at the beginning will succeed definitely because they are the ones that they know the system, they adapted that system, and in the end they use that as their advantage. Wala talagang wala talaga akong ka-peers na lalaki na same ko. Maybe I'm just alone now. Or maybe I made myself really different from the people, from my peers. I made myself very different. Very, very different because I've experienced times that they haven't experienced yet. I mean, what do you mean by that? Well, I don't know. Maybe I just mumbled at that part because I don't know what how to explain this problem that meaningful and cohesive and accurate and precise to the problem itself. I just can't explain it. And also I cannot prove it because I just see it. I'm not crazy. There is this thing that there's the there's also a problem in me that struggling with communicating if I should pursue talking more in English rather than Filipino because lots of people are really not that good when it comes to English. In Philippines particularly. I really envy the people who have people or friends to support them. I really do because they cannot be, you know, they cannot feel that they are not they're not great since there are people that you know that could back them up. I don't tolerate bad behaviors. I don't tolerate behaviors that is you know that could hurt someone. So that's why I cut it, the relationship from my um ex friends. I don't want to um bond with them anymore since I don't like their behaviors. They have this picture, I mean, this message inside of their heads, probably, is that enjoy your youth once they are there. Enjoy your time being a teenager because you won't have abo. Magluto ng kanton. So that's all for today.